Xiaomi 14 SE is set to launch in the global market next month, and it's essentially a rebranded version of the Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro, which was originally launched in China. Fast refresh rate, 1.5K OLED display, new flagship grade processor, solid inbuilt, flagship camera sensor, and many more. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's start with the unboxing of the Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro. When you open the lid of the box, you find a cardboard box. Inside that, there's a SIM ejector tool, a user manual, and a hard plastic case with a matte finish. That's either for the Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro or the Xiaomi 14 SE phone. Also, there's a 67-watt power adapter, and finally, a Type-C to Type-A cable. Now, let's remove the plastic wrap from the phone and talk about its design and build. The phone comes in black color. When you look at the back of the phone, whether it's the Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro or the Xiaomi 14 SE, they look quite similar. You'll notice that the edges of the camera module are made of metal, and the camera module itself has a circular design, similar to previous generations. There's also a metal decorative ring around the module. The phone feels lightweight and thin, which adds to its appeal. It weighs around 179 grams and is about 7.45 millimeters thick, with a width of 72 millimeters, making it comfortable to hold in one hand. It comes in the color Starry Sky Black. The back of the phone is made of AG frosted glass, and besides that, you also get 3 color options: blue, green, and pink. The green variant combines vegan leather with glass. Overall, the design of the phone is quite appealing. There's also an improvement in the screen department. Similar to the Xiaomi 14 Pro, the Xiaomi 14 SE also features an all-isometric macro screen. The screen looks and feels great, so getting a flagship-level screen in this mid-segment phone was unexpected. In addition to that, the screen of the Xiaomi 14 SE also uses C8 luminous material, just like the Xiaomi 14 series. It offers a resolution of 1.5K, with a peak brightness of 3000 nits and a color depth of 12 bits. For eye protection, it features a high-frequency PWM dimming feature of 2160 Hz and Rhineland low blue light frequency eye protection. It's also certified with low flicker eye care certification. So, whether it's the Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro or the Xiaomi 14 SE, the screen quality is at a flagship level. To talk about the performance of either the Xiaomi 14 SE or the Civi 4 Pro, they both feature the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 processor, which was recently launched. This processor is also found in the upcoming Poco F6, set to launch in global markets and India this month. I've already uploaded an unboxing and detailed review video of the Poco F6, and you can find the link in the description below. This processor includes a Cortex X4 super large core for enhanced performance. This processor actually stands between the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in terms of performance. You can see its Antutu running score goes beyond 149 million. Additionally, this processor offers AI computing power along with various features such as enhanced camera capabilities, network-related features, and many others. So, the Xiaomi 14 SE will come with a flagship-level processor this time. But friends, this processor is weaker compared to the recently launched Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3. I recently uploaded a comparison video between the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 and the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3, which features the OnePlus Nord 4 and the Poco F6. If you haven't watched the video yet, you can find the link in the description below. Now, with a flagship chip in the phone, it should also have strong heat dissipation. So, the Xiaomi 14 SE comes with a 4184 square mm annular cold pump, which keeps the phone cool during intensive tasks. The phone also features a heat dissipation system similar to Xiaomi's flagship phones. Another significant improvement in the Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro or the Xiaomi 14 SE is seen in the camera department. Xiaomi has, for the first time outside its flagship series, incorporated the Leica optical system. You can even spot the Leica branding on the camera module. The main camera is a whopping 50 megapixels paired with a large 1.55-inch sensor size using the Sony LYT800 sensor. You also get a secondary 50 megapixel portrait telephoto lens that supports 2x optical zoom, along with a third 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera that covers a 120-degree field of view. On the front, there's a dual-camera setup featuring a 78-degree portrait lens and a 100-degree ultra-wide-angle lens. So, you can expect fantastic selfies from the phone as well. I'll be bringing a detailed review of the Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro or the Xiaomi 14 SE very soon, so make sure to subscribe and join our tech team to be the first to watch the video. Talking about extra features, the phone comes with a T1 signal enhancement chip, which was previously only found in Xiaomi's flagship phones. In terms of battery, you get a 4,700 mAh battery along with a 67-watt charger. This charger can charge the battery from 0 to 100% in just 40 minutes. Other features include an under-display fingerprint sensor, stereo speakers, NFC, IR remote control, and many more. Talking about the price, the base variant starts at 29.99 Chinese yuan in China, which translates to around £232 in the UK and $414 in the US. I'll be sharing the conclusion and buying guide for the Xiaomi 14 SE in detail in my review video, so make sure to stay connected with our channel. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.